Which programming language to learn hackings and what are they used for? The first programming language is HTML. You can start with an HTML. Its purpose is for web hackings. It mainly used to logins forms and data entries. It's used for identify and exploit weakness in a website. It is used as a backend and the front end of the website. It is also used to design the website and the page. The second programming language is JavaScript. JavaScript, its purpose is for web hacking. JavaScript code is executed on a client-side browser to view a saved cookies, to perform a cross-site scripting, and many more details from a client server. The third programming language is SQL. Structured query language. Its purpose is for a web hacking. Using SQL injection, hacker can bypass a web application login algorithms and that a weak password. Delete data from a database activities can be done by knowing a SQL or a learning SQL. The fourth programming language is Python, Ruby, Bash, and Perl. Its purpose is for building tools and scripts. They come in handy when you need to develop automations, tools, and script. The knowledge gained can also be used in understand and customization the already available tools installed in Python, Ruby, Bash, and Perl. The fifth programming language is C and C++. Its purpose is for writing a exploit, cheat codes, etc. They come in handy when you need to write your own cheat codes, exploit rootkit, and understanding a expand on it. The sixth programming language is Java, C++, and a Visual Basic. Its purpose is for other uses. The useful of these languages depends on your demands and scenario. And what's your favorite language? My favorite language is Python. And what's about you? Comment me below.